podcast. I'm your host, Leroy Glover, and today we're diving into the second episode of our series. If you missed the last episode, we explored the incredible power of imagination. In today's episode, we're delving even deeper into this topic. In this episode, we're going to explore the process of mentally picturing your ideal future. This process is like crafting a mental blueprint for the life you want to create. It's all about vividly imagining the details of your desired future, painting the mental pictures of what success, happiness, and fulfillment looks like for you. So, how can this imaginative exercise help you clarify your goals and aspirations? Well, think of it as a GPS for your life. When you can clearly see your destination, it becomes much easier to plan your route and to take the necessary steps to get there. Visualization can provide the clarity. It allows you to define and refine your goals, making them more tangible and achievable. It's like turning your dreams into a well-defined, actionable objective. But we won't stop at just discussing it. We're going to guide you through a step-by-step visualization exercise that will allow you to envision and experience your desired outcome. So grab a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and let's embark on this imaginative journey together. This exercise is designed to help you bring your dreams to life within the theater of your mind. Creating your ideal future. Welcome to this guided visualization exercise that will help you create your ideal future. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position, and when you're ready, close your eyes. Take a moment to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Allow your lungs to fill with air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Repeat this a few times until you feel calm and centered. Now, I want you to imagine a blank canvas in front of you. This canvas represents your future, a space where you can paint the life you desire. Picture it as much detail as possible. Begin by envisioning yourself in your ideal future. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling refreshed and excited about the day ahead. Visualize your surroundings, the room you're in, the colors, and the decor. Now, focus on your physical well-being. See yourself as healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. Imagine the activities you engage in to maintain your well-being, whether it's exercise, meditation, or a healthy diet. Think about your relationships. Visualize the people you interact with, your friends, family, or significant others. Imagine the quality of your relationships filled with love, trust, and support. Picture your career or passion. Envision yourself driving in your chosen field, doing what you love, and making a meaningful impact. Imagine your day routine, the task you enjoy, and the accomplishments you celebrate. Now focus on your emotional state. Visualize yourself feeling confident, resilient, and happy. See yourself handling challenges with grace and turning setbacks into opportunities for growth. As As you immerse yourself in this mental imagery, allow yourself to experience the positive emotions associated with your ideal future. The joy, fulfillment, the gratitude, the contentment. Take a moment to reflect on your values and beliefs. Imagine how they align with the ideal future and how they guide your decisions and actions. Continue to explore this visualization exercise at your own pace. You can spend as much time as you like in this imaginative world, fine-tuning the details and enjoying the positive feelings it brings. When you're ready to return to the present moment, slowly open your eyes. Carry the vivid image and positive emotions from this exercise with you into your day, knowing that you're taking a significant step towards creating your ideal future. That concludes our visualization exercise. Remember that you can revisit this exercise whenever you need to reconnect with your vision and your ideal future. Your imagination is a powerful tool for shaping your destiny. Now, this episode, we're going to delve into the crucial role of beliefs and mindsets in shaping the future you desire. Your imagination is a powerful, but it's your beliefs and mindset that drives your actions towards that imaginative future. Think of your beliefs as the foundation upon which your dreams are built. They are the deep-rooted convictions about what is possible for you. Your mindset, on the other hand, is your overall attitude and perspective on life. It holds limits and limiting beliefs or negative mindsets, and it can act as a barrier, hindering your progress and keeping you from manifesting your desired outcome. On the flip side, when you cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset and believe in the potential for positive change, you empower yourself to take the necessary steps to turn your imagination into reality. Your beliefs and mindset influences the choices you make, the actions you take, and the perseverance you exhibit when faced with challenges. So, as we continue on our journey through imagination mastery, remember that it's not enough to dream. You must also believe in those dreams and adapt a mindset that aligns with your aspirations. In the upcoming episodes, we'll explore strategies to reshape your beliefs and cultivate a mindset that supports your vision for the future. Stay tuned as we unlock the potential of your imagination and learn how to harness it with the power of beliefs and a growth-oriented mindset. As always, we want to hear from you. Share your experiences with visualization and how it has influenced your beliefs and mindsets. You can join the conversation on our podcast platform. Or connect with us on social media. Please comment below as well. Your insights can inspire others on their imaginative journey. Before we wrap it up, we have a call to action. We encourage you to practice visualization regularly and work on cultivating a positive belief system. Share your progress, challenges, or any shifts in your mindset with us. Together, we're creating a community of imaginative individuals on the path of personal transformation. And don't forget to stay tuned for our upcoming episode 3, Transforming Thoughts into Action. In that episode, we'll explore how to turn your imaginative vision into real-life action. What steps can you take to bring your dreams to life? It's going to be a fascinating discussion you won't want to miss.